Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up Xcode. If you don't have it in your already open, or you're trying to look for it if you just installed it, it should be in your Mac hard drive under applications here. And we're looking for Xcode, which would be at the bottom here somewhere. There we go. Xcode. And we'll run that. So it should bring you up to this screen like this, and where it says Welcome to Xcode. And it has recent ones. I have a couple things over here that I've already done, but we're going to create a new one today. So the new one that we're going to create, we're just going to create a new project. All right, and I want to we're going to choose a OSX application, and we're going to do a command line tool, and we're just going to click next. Project name, this is going to be Hello World. I have Cache and Conant School District. You can change it if you want to. Type Foundation. I want to make sure that's still there. And I'll just go ahead and click next. Alright, now it's going to ask me where I want to save this. And I created it on my, actually I went to my desktop. And in my desktop, I have created a mobile application development. And then I have, well, screen captures, because this is where I record my things to. And then I have other ones. I'm going to create just one in my mobile application. I'm going to just select that and create. And that's where my Hello World is going to be. And I did it just on the desktop, so it's easy. You can put wherever you'd like. It doesn't really matter to me. Now, you can see with settings and build phases and binding rules. Don't worry about this stuff. Yours might look a little bit different than mine because this is Xcode 3 or 4.3. I believe mine's 4.41. So yours might be a little bit different depending on the version. We'll probably update them all to the newest version now. 4.5, I believe, is the newest one. So that way we can all be on the same page here. Where I'm working with is the main file. And this is where we're going to do all the coding. Don't worry about the rest of them right now. I'm going to go to the main.m. So we'll open that up. It should look something like this. Right off the back, you probably can see what some of this code's doing. First thing we have is these are comments. So if you have 2 backslashes, that creates a comment line. It's a little bit different in other languages, obviously, but for Objective-C, which is the same programming in on the Mac OS X, and for the iOS, we use Objective-C mainly. The backslashes will be for comments. You can see we have another backslash, one for comments again. Insert code here. And then we have this nslog at quotation hello, comma, world. Well, we're going to run this because this is actually a program already. It's already pre-compiled or pre-made. It has a couple things on it already, so you can get started really quickly. So I'm just going to click to run up here. And it ran. And you're like, well, what happened? Well, it's the output down here. It has a time. And then it's called Hello World. And you can see this is the output right here. Hello World. And you can see if you can't see it, you need to show the click this window right here so you can actually show the variable view and console, or show only the console if you wanted to. You could do that too. So that's how you see the output if you don't see it right now. So this has Hello World. Now, if I wanted to change something here, you always have to have an at in before it for strings. And this is a string because it's just a line of it's just a line of words. It doesn't have numbers or anything. And you can see I ran it without the at. It says incompatible pointer types passed as car 14 to a parameter of NSS string or NS string. So this is the at just tells it it's a string. So you can see I had a fail and I had issues up here, but now we all should be good again. And we're running, and you can see down here we have it again. So whatever I type in here, will obviously print down to the bottom of the console. And I'm going to go ahead and run it. Build succeeded. And you can see, hello class, this is the first program in Xcode. Nothing much going on here. So, we talked about the comments. This right here is a function. It's function main, and you can see it begins here and ends down here at the bottom. So this is our function. This NS log just prints to our log. The at, like we said before, the at is what starts it out of the string, since this is a string. Up top, these import files, we use Foundation. That is that's what we need. This is the header file, and it's an import command for stuff we're accessing. And we need to basically, for this one, we need to access the foundation.h file. So without that, we wouldn't be able to access or print to the do the output or anything like that. We'll talk about the function. All you have to realize is this is a function right now. And that's basically all I'm going to get into right now. Just try it, get it running, and hopefully it works for you.